Good morning, dear students. How are you? Dear student, today I am going to start classification of sports injury. So, classification of sports injury. In this topic, you have to read about the different kinds of the injuries during playing sports. So, you have to read today sports injury. So these are the types of injuries that occur during participation in sports or games, training or competitions. So these are the types of injuries that occur during the participation in sports or games, trainings or competitions. So in sports, injuries are common and it can occur to anyone at any time. Injuries causes damage to any part, external or internal, which affect the health of an individual. Injuries can be classified as, first of all, soft tissue injuries. So it is further divided in two parts. Skin injuries. It is an injury over skin like contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision, etc. So these are skin injuries: contusion, abrasion, laceration, and incisions, and etc. Second, muscles injuries. In these injuries, the muscles, tendons, and ligaments are affected, like sprain, strain. So these are the muscles injuries. So muscles, tendons, ligaments are affected like the sprain and strain. So you have to read about these all injuries. Now third, next, heart tissue injuries. So heart tissue injuries. In these injuries involve the damage to bones of skeleton system, like fracture and dislocation. Injuries are further categorized as minor injuries and major injuries. So you have to read about these bone injuries. So bone injuries: fracture, closed fracture, open fracture, closed fracture, divided hairline, green stick fracture, impacted fracture, stress fracture, transverse fractures, oblique fractures, linear fractures, incomplete fractures, complete fractures, open fractures, complicated fractures, and compound fractures. These are the bone injuries. Dislocations, minor injuries, major or serious injuries. So dear student, today you have to read about the in these about the injuries. Little I am explaining here. Skin injuries like contusion. So contusion caused by severe blow without breaking the continuity of skin. Just like this abrasion, skin is scraped or rubbed by the friction, it is not deep. Laceration, it is cut or bound and skin in torn by sharp object. Incision, it is a deep cut or bound and skin is torn by the blunt object. So these are the skin injuries. So skin injury you have read: contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision. Now we have to talk about the muscles injury. Cramp, it is the neuromuscular injuries over the muscles whereas the muscles cannot contract properly. Sprain, muscles pull, it is the damage or breakage of tendons by violent or overstretch of the muscles. Strain, it is damage or breakage of ligament by the violent or overstretches around the joint. And now we have to talk about the fracture. It is the damage or breakage of bone by external pressure. It is of the various types. Dislocation, it is an injury in which the adjoining bones are displaced from their original positions. Minor injuries, These injuries do not affect much to the fitness of player. They are the less painful and vanish after the sometimes if proper treatment is taken. It has the localized inflammation and mostly over skin and muscles. Serious injuries, major injuries. In this injury affected the health and fitness of player. They are very painful and need specific treatment. It has inflammation around the affected part and mostly over tendons, ligaments and bone. The blood vessels get damaged in this injury. So today I have to read about the only classification of these injuries. You have to read in all these injuries in detail in next PPT, like skin injuries, contusion, abrasion, laceration, incision, muscles injuries, muscles, tendons, ligament are affected, sprain, strain, cramp, heart tissues injuries, dislocation, and fracture. You have to read different kinds of the fracture. So today you have to learn only these the classification of injuries. Now we will soon meet with a new topic. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.